there's 3 perfectly.
Simple Dimple! Pop it! Yay! Oh my gosh! Yay, my puppet is finally here.
My puppet.
Oh my god! I'm so obsessed.
Yes, I'm so pissed. I want them.
Stop it. Oh my gosh, all the bubbles didn't even pop. Alright, next the Simple Dimples. The Simple Dimples.
A temple dimple.
Look at the simple. I'm already obsessed.
What about this balloon with demons? And I know what they
I love it.
One have game and a demon have daddy.
Oh my gosh, I had to put this in my fidget collection. I'm so obsessed. So this is what I got today. A Simple Dimple. I took off the chain and I popped it. I am obsessed with these things. It's like, oh my gosh, just... Okay, so this is the quiet side. This is the quiet side. Then this is the loud side. Yeah. So that's that. Then we got the Simple Dimple. This is the quiet side. Right here. This is the loud side. Woo! So, yeah, that's all I got today. Tomorrow, the water timer and something else, which I forgot, which I'm going to call a surprise, is coming tomorrow. So, I'm really excited. This took so long to get here. It's like, it came... Where's my time? It came at 5, and it's still 5. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoy my subscribe and leave a like. Bye.